New to VPNs? Here's exactly how to use NordVPN step by step, no experience needed. First, get NordVPN subscription. Open any browser on your device and go to the official website. In the NordVPN homepage, click on Get NordVPN. Next, choose a plan. Generally, Plus is the best value as it includes ad blocker, password manager, and extra security tools. Fill in all the details and complete the purchase. Second, install the NordVPN app. Download the NordVPN app for your device. I will explain the procedure for Windows, but the process will be similar for other devices as well. The installation process is very simple and straightforward. Click on Launch NordVPN. Then, click on Login. This will redirect you to a browser. Log in using your credentials, and you are ready to use NordVPN. Third, connect to a VPN server. NordVPN makes it very easy to connect to a VPN server. All you have to do is click on Secure My Connection. NordVPN picks the fastest server for you. However, this server might not be in the location you want. For this, choose the country of your choice from the list. To demonstrate, I will pick UK. Next, click on the 3 dots, and you can select a specific city. Let's go with London. And just like that, you are now connected to that VPN server. Finally, important settings you should enable. Go to Settings. Make sure you are in the General tab. Then, enable Launch App on System Startup. NordVPN will automatically start when your device turns on. Now, in the Kill Switch settings. If you turn this on, it will block apps from accessing the internet if VPN disconnects. Next is Threat Protection. This includes DNS filtering, malware protection, and ad and tracker blocking. If your plan supports these features, turn them on for a safer browsing experience. Subscribe for more tips and tricks.